Okay, good morning everybody, and right now I'm going to start retirement of partner. First of all, it is just understand the concept, basic concept. Sir, in admission, new partner get admitted in the firm, and in retirement, a partner leave from the firm. That means if C retires, then C share of profit will be taken by A or B or both. Yes sir, because at that time three were taking profit. Right now 2% will take profit, A and B. Okay, so we have to calculate new profit sharing ratio. Yes, in this case the remaining partner will gain or will lose. Sir, they will gain, because leave about retiring partner, what about remaining partners, that is A and B. Sir, they will gain. We calculate here basically gaining ratio. Okay sir, similar way goodwill also, here we calculate goodwill also. Sir, goodwill how? What I told, in goodwill, in case of goodwill means a person who gain, he pay to the person who lose of the profit. This is an extra amount given by the person who gain the profit and given to the person to whom they give to whom? Sir, to the person who lose the share. Right now who is losing and who is gaining? Sir, A and B is gaining and C is losing because C is no more partner. Okay, then who will give goodwill to whom? Sir, A and B will give goodwill to B. Similar way, revaluation. Revaluation is also similar. You have to pass a similar journal entry for revaluation also. That is increase asset and liability. It's same. Accumulated profit, treatment of accumulated profit is also same. See, we will prepare revaluation account. The profit which will come from the revaluation of asset will be distributed among three partners, because all of the three were there in the partnership. So this revaluation profit belongs to every three person. Accumulated profit or loss, it is also same. Similar way, deferred revenue expenditure like advertisement suspense or advertisement suspenses, this type of expenditure may be given. So you have to write off this also. Okay, this will be created and this will be debited in their capital account. Then again, adjustment of capital. The other part, if a partner retires, we have to pay him capital and the remaining partner have to adjust the capital either according to profit sharing ratio or the fixed capital. They will tell that this should be the fixed capital, total capital, and according to that they have to adjust. Okay, now loan account. Sir, what is loan account? Suppose now, right now a partner C retires, then we have to pay him. Suppose we don't have money to pay him right now. What we will say? Okay, bro, you just take after a few days, we will pay you after few days. We can't pay you right now because we don't have money, or we are paying 50% amount, or rest we will pay later on, or any percentage of amount we can pay right now and we will pay later on, or equal installment, or in installment we will pay you. This situation may be arise. So we prepare loan account. So basically when the partners retire, after that we have to pay him, but if we don't pay, that is treated as a loan, that okay, it is a loan on us and we'll pay you. Okay, then sir, we have to pay interest also. Yes, we pay interest also. Sir, executor, in case of death, suppose executor account. Sir, what is executor account? Suppose A and B were and C were the partner. Now C dies, then who will take his share of profit? Sir, his legal heir. That is, family members will come and ask, bro, give us, they will ask and tell that to give us the capital which he has invested. Right now we have to give him capital. Yes sir, which he has invested, plus if there any goodwill, we have to give him goodwill also. Sir, we will, because his share who will take right now? Sir, A and B. Then A and B will have to give him goodwill. Sir, we have to revalue the assets also. Sir, whatever reserve we have deposited, we will give to him also, because he has also contributed. Adjustment of capital, right now we will give him capital, the total capital. So these total amount we pay to the executor, the legal heir of them is we call executor.